Hello, my name is Wolf Lopez, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy, sell, trade, withdraw, deposit and stake your cryptocurrencies on KuCoin. Okay, so after watching this step-by-step A to Z tutorial, you are going to know how to use KuCoin like a pro. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so now we are inside KuCoin. So if you haven't created your KuCoin account yet, click the link in description or pinned comment and you can create your KuCoin account in a few minutes. Okay, after you have created and logged in your KuCoin account, this is the first page that you will see. Okay, so this is an asset overview. Like you can see, I'm currently holding some cryptocurrencies on my KuCoin account. And yeah, now we're going to go through step by step on how to use KuCoin. Okay, so let's go. So when you click here, markets, here you can see here you can see all the cryptocurrency pairings that KuCoin currently has. Okay, so USDT pairings, Bitcoin pairings, KuCoin shares pairings, altcoins, DeFi coins, NFT and Polkadot. Okay, so here you can go check all the cryptocurrencies that KuCoin currently has. Okay, and when you go to buy crypto and go to credit card / debit card, here you can buy cryptocurrencies straight up with your credit or debit card. Okay, so I've been using this. There are a lot of different methods too, fast trade and peer-to-peer fiat trading, but I have been using this credit card / debit card. I've been using with credit card. I've been buying cryptocurrencies with my credit card, and I've been using Simplex for a while now, and I absolutely love them. So all you have to do is select here what cryptocurrency. When you click BTC, you can select what cryptocurrency you want to buy with your credit card, and then you can select what currency that you want to pay with, and then you just type in how much you want to buy. For example, I would like to buy 1 Bitcoin. Then it will show how much it will cost, and then you click buy now, and then you will be taken to Simplex order page, where you will verify that you are you and you are buying Bitcoin, and then the order will go through and your Bitcoin will show up right here in your assets. Okay, after it takes, if you're buying for example Bitcoin, it takes like 30 minutes for your Bitcoin to show up, because Bitcoin is such a slow currency. Okay, so don't freak out if it takes like 30 minutes for your Bitcoin to show up, but your Bitcoin will show up right here in your main account. Okay, so that's how you can buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card. Like you already saw, you can't buy all cryptocurrencies with your credit card, so that's why you first have to buy some cryptocurrencies, for example Bitcoin, and then start trading that Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies if you want to buy other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can do it here on trading. So here are spot trading, margin trading, API and instant exchange. So margin trading is like, it's like basically casino. So if you want to trade with leverage, I have never traded with leverage. I don't recommend trading with leverage if you are a beginner, or like I don't want to do it. I'm just using spot trading. So I'm buying cryptocurrencies on the with their current price. Okay, so I'm just buying and holding basically. Okay, so we can do that here. I'm going to show you later how to do that. But let's go. So here are futures. I don't I use futures also, so I don't really know how to do it. But here's some interesting. So here's soft staking, KuCoin bonus, referral, pool X and lend. So you can lend out your cryptocurrencies and get interest. I haven't used this, but pool X is staking plus pool mining. So if you want to stake your cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is come pool X, and here you can stake your cryptocurrencies. Okay, so click the pool X, and here are all that you can stake. So for example, I'm holding now KuCoin shares, so I could come here and stake now my cryptocurrencies, and you can see that reference annual yield, how much you will be earning. But here is some important that you need to know about staking. Okay, so where it says redemption period, it takes after you stop the staking, it takes 3 days until you can get your cryptocurrency back. Okay, so your cryptocurrencies will be frozen for 3 days. For example, I staked KuCoin shares and it was frozen for 14 days, so for 2 weeks. So you always have to read the rules before you start staking. Okay, but if you want to start staking, you can come here and start staking with little amount. It's really good passive income if you want to try and do it. All you have to do is come here and click, for example, stake now. All you have to do is type in how much you want to stake. So and here it says minimum amount. Then put your trading password and then agree and then stake now. Then it will create PoolX trading account for you, or PoolX account wallet for you, and there you will see your staking cryptocurrencies, and there you can redeem your cryptocurrencies back if you want to stop staking. Okay, but basically it works like this. You come here, you put your how much you want to stake, and you click stake now, and it will stake it until you stop it. Okay, so that's how it works. But I'm going to go more in depth on staking. That's how you can do it, and I'm going to show you in other videos how to do it. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how you can start buying and selling and trading and withdrawing and depositing cryptocurrencies on KuCoin. Okay, so let's start. So like I showed you, you can come here when you buy crypto and credit and debit card, and you can straight up buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card. And like I showed you, there is not many cryptocurrencies that you can buy with credit card. So that's why you have to come here in your main account. So after you have bought your Bitcoin, it will show up right here in your main account, or any cryptocurrency with your debit or credit card. It will show up here, okay? And by the way, if you don't want to buy cryptocurrencies on KuCoin, all and you already own cryptocurrencies, you can come here and click deposit and click the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. Okay, so for example, let's say that you would like to deposit some USDT. All you have to do is click here, and it will create depositing address for you, and you can deposit your cryptocurrencies here. So currently there is some maintenance on the wallets, but it will show up your depositing address right here. Okay, but anyway, after that you now should own some. For example, let's go with Bitcoin. You should own some Bitcoin now. You either bought it or deposited it. Okay. And after that, I'm going to explain you how KuCoin works. So KuCoin has these different wallets. So your main account and main wallet is where when your cryptocurrency is in your main account, you can withdraw your cryptocurrencies, but you can't trade your cryptocurrencies. Okay. And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading account, you can't withdraw your cryptocurrency, but you can trade your cryptocurrency. Okay. And to switch between these two wallets, all you have to do is click the cryptocurrency that you want to put transfer into your trading account. So for example, you have now Bitcoin on your main account. You have to transfer that Bitcoin into your trading account so you can start trading that Bitcoin. Makes sense? Okay, so to do that, all you have to do is click transfer, and like you can see, from main account to trading account, select how much you want to transfer. Let's say that I will transfer 100, and click confirm. And when you go to your trading account, you can see that it instantly transferred it, and it didn't cost anything. So it's easy, it's free, and it's instant. Okay, so now I have some KuCoin shares on my trading account, and now I can start trading that cryptocurrency, that KuCoin shares, into other cryptocurrencies. So for example, I can now sell that KuCoin shares and trade it in the other cryptocurrency. Okay, but let's imagine that your Bitcoins are now in your trading account. All you have to do is come here and click spot, and here you can finally start trading that cryptocurrency into your into other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so when you come here, you can see all the pairings here. So for example, Bitcoin, you can see all the Bitcoin pairings here. So for example, if you want to trade that Bitcoin that you just bought, you want to trade that into, for example, for example, if you want to buy KuCoin shares, all you have to do is click here. So you are currently now, so the left one is the currency that you are buying, and the right one is the currency that you are selling. So here is the order book. Okay, so when you come in here, you first have to obviously put your trading password in, and I just put my trading password in. So after that, you can see here you can buy KuCoin shares or sell KuCoin shares. Okay, so for example, I would now if I own some Bitcoin now, like I showed you, if you first bought with your credit card or deposited, you would come here and click buy KuCoin shares, and all you have to do is click the red number, bottom one of the red numbers. The bottom one of the red numbers is the lowest amount that somebody is currently willing to sell their KuCoin shares. Okay, so after clicking that, select how much KuCoin shares you want to buy. So this is the price that you are paying for KuCoin shares, and when you click the bottom one, that is the lowest price. Okay, so after that, select how much KuCoin shares you want to buy. If you click 25%, that means that you are selling 25% of your Bitcoins and trading that in the KuCoin shares, and you can use these percents here. If you click 100% Bitcoins, that means that you're selling 100% of your Bitcoins and trading that in the KuCoin shares. You can also type the amount here, but you can like use whatever you want. After you have selected how much KuCoin shares you want to buy, just click buy KuCoin shares. Like you see, I currently don't own any Bitcoin, so I can show you how to buy, but that's basically it. All you have to do is click buy KuCoin shares and put your trading password in, and then you are good to go. Then the trade will execute. Now you can use this method to buy any cryptocurrencies here. Okay, so for example, if you come here and for example you have now some USDT, okay, and you want to buy, let's say that you want to buy some Ethereum, let's say that you want to buy Ethereum Classic with your USDT. All you have to do is come here, and here's the selling order, so people who are currently selling you Ethereum Classic, and here are buying orders, people who are currently buying Ethereum Classic. So now let's say that you have now USDT. All you have to do is check out the red numbers here. So these are people who are selling Ethereum Classic. So click the bottom one of the Ethereum Classic, and that is the lowest amount that somebody is willing to sell their Ethereum Classics. Okay, so after that, you can see here, select how much you want to buy, how much Ethereum Classic you want to buy, and after that click buy Ethereum Classic, and then the trade will execute. Okay, so that's how you can buy anything on KuCoin. Now if you currently own some, for example, if you want to sell, for example, your if you own some let's say that you own OMG and you want to sell your OMG for Bitcoin. All you have to do is come here, and like you can see, sell OMG. Now you have to check out the green numbers. So the top one of the green numbers is the highest amount that somebody is willing to sell their OMG token. So when you click the top one of the green numbers, you will automatically get the most money. Okay, so always click the top one of the green numbers. After that, select how much OMG you want to sell, and then just click sell OMG, and then the trade will execute, and then you will get Bitcoin. You trade your OMG for Bitcoin. Okay, so that is how you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on KuCoin. Okay, and now if you want to withdraw your cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is come here and come to your account, and like I said in the beginning, when your cryptocurrency is in your main account, that's when you can withdraw your cryptocurrencies, but you can't trade your cryptocurrencies. And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading account, that's when you can't withdraw your cryptocurrencies, but you can trade your cryptocurrencies. So to withdraw your cryptocurrencies, you have to transfer your cryptocurrencies back to your main account. So like this, so it works vice versa. Okay, now you can see that it's all back in my main account, like here. And now I can just click here and withdraw, and put the wallet address here where you want to withdraw, and select how much you want to withdraw, and then just confirm your withdraw. Okay, so that is how it works. That's how you can withdraw your cryptocurrencies on KuCoin. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any problems with KuCoin, any cryptocurrency related problem at all, comment down below and I'm here to help you. Okay, so thank you so much, and remember to subscribe for daily awesome cryptocurrency videos. Okay, so see you in the next one.